Hey guys, Darkest Elements here and welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be showing off a custom mock review on, guess who that is? Guess who it is? Guess who it is? It's the Zombie Engineer of Plants vs Zombies. God, it's about time I made this figure because I was making it ages and it was so hard to get all the stuff right, so yeah, I finally made it. And excuse me, do you mind if I just take my Why don't you want to work? Alright, here we go. So here's my zombie engineer. So let me just... God, his hand just fell off. Because we're flying. Been watching too much Unlisted Leaf. Shout out to Unlisted Leaf because he's my favourite YouTuber. And Blitzwinger. So yeah. Here's the custom engineer. If you want to make this figure, you'll need a Goblin of Lego Series 13 Goblin. You'll need the Joker's hard hat, or you can do the Builder's hard hat from Series 13. You need the face, the hands for the Series 13 Goblin, and then the hat from the Joker Steamroller. And then you need the Lego City Demolition starter if you want to get this jacket. We can use any jacket. And then put brown arms on. I think you can brown arms anyway. And yeah. So, let me just use Derek the Man. Sorry guys, I've just taken off this. Yeah. Alright. So yeah. And then this is the back. Here's some stuff there. And if you leave him like that, that doesn't look like him. So, of course, you're going to need the cement maker that he has in his back. This is the Lego Batman thing that I got off of it. So just plop that on his back. You can do this a different way if you like. You can just use this, like controller piece that comes with the Lego Dimension set. Don't have it, but I just found it. And you can do this one piece thinger. And yeah, right. So the reason why I made this is because I'm a big fan of Garden Warfare. So yeah, and he actually kind of looks pretty. Not saying definitely, but I'm saying pretty accurate to the game. But it's just a face. So, and then this is how you make his gun. You get the red cone piece, then you put onto a Star Wars blaster. Just gotta focus. Put it onto a Star Wars blaster. And then that'll make the Signade launcher, I think. So if I just let it, yeah. So it'll turn into like that. And the control that I'm making the drone, guys. Just saying, I'm making a drone, and the drone mechanic. I use this random piece because I was trying to look for a lever, but I couldn't find one, so I just used a hammer. So you'd need this clipper thing, and then a red stud dot thing, clear, not like block type, and then you'll need this. So put that on like that, so like that. Then get a Lego hammer that I found somewhere. Don't know why. Or you can use a lever, black lever, if you like. It's up to you. And there you have it. And he does come with his jackhammer. That I just use a regular jackhammer. So yeah. Let's show him off again. One last time now. Where did I put that base piece? Wait a second, guys. Be right back. Alright. Sorry guys, be right back. Alrighty guys, so I actually found the base thing is actually under my bed. Anyway, here he is, fully equipped. Yeah, equipped. Alright, here he is. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And before I leave, I have to show him off with the jackhammer, don't I? Just to see, because you guys might want to know if he actually fits. Because if you blue tack it or something to the thing, and he'll look completely fine, like. I'm sorry guys, I've been watching too much Unlisted Leaf. And shout out to Unlisted Leaf, please, I love you so much, and subscribe to my channel. I'm not gay, I just like your videos, and you're funny, you're cool. You're cool beans, son, you're cool beans, So that's it there, and I'll see you next time. Tell me in the comment section below, what should I build next of Garden Warfare, and I'll see you later. Bye!